Trying to change the ear tips on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, but worried about tearing or damaging them? Don't worry. Here's the safe and easy way to replace it. First, take the ear tip and roll the silicone edges completely inside out. Next, hold that middle section firmly with 2 fingers. Gently pull the ear tip straight forward toward you while giving the earbud a slight twist. The tip should pop right off, and you'll usually hear a small click when it releases. To install the new ear tip, look closely inside the tip and the earbud. You'll see small plastic grooves and clips. Line those grooves up with the cutouts on the earbud, then press the tip firmly into place. When it's attached properly, you should hear a small click. Once it clicks into place, simply roll the silicone edges back down and you're done. And that's how you can safely change the ear tips without tearing them. Thanks for your time.